Hey there! Are you an accountant looking to excel in your career and stay ahead in this ever-evolving field? Today, we're going to dive into a crucial topic: continuous professional development in accounting. As accountants, we know that staying up to date with industry trends, regulations, and new technologies is essential. Continuous learning ensures that we provide the best possible service to our clients and remain competitive in the market. Did you know that according to a survey conducted by the Association of International Certified Professional Accountants, 92% of employers consider continuous professional development important for their accounting staff? It's clear that investing in our professional growth is not just beneficial but necessary. So, how can we actively pursue lifelong learning in the accounting field? Let's explore some effective strategies. First, networking plays a vital role. Attending industry events, conferences, and joining professional associations allows us to connect with fellow accountants, exchange knowledge, and gain valuable insights. Remember, the power of networking goes beyond just collecting business cards. It's about building relationships that can open doors to new opportunities. Next, embrace technology. The digital era has transformed the accounting landscape, and staying updated with the latest software and tools is crucial. Online courses, webinars, and tutorials offer convenient and flexible ways to acquire new skills and stay relevant in our digital-driven world. Statistics show that professionals who engage in continuous professional development earn 21% higher salaries compared to those who don't invest in their growth. So, the benefits are not just limited to personal and professional development, but also financial rewards. Another strategy is to seek mentorship or coaching. Learning from experienced professionals who have been through the challenges we may face can be incredibly valuable. Their guidance and insights can help us navigate complex situations and accelerate our learning process. Remember, continuous learning isn't limited to technical skills alone. Developing soft skills like communication, leadership, and critical thinking is equally important. These skills enhance our ability to collaborate effectively, manage teams, and provide exceptional client service. To summarize, continuous professional development is a must for accountants who want to stay competitive and thrive in their careers. Networking, embracing technology, seeking mentorship, and developing soft skills are all essential strategies to keep growing. So, let's commit to lifelong learning and embrace the opportunities that continuous professional development brings. Together, we can stay at the forefront of the accounting profession, deliver outstanding results for our clients, and achieve long-term success. Remember, learning never stops. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep excelling.